So just like with the for loop, we can use break and continue to break out of a while loop or cause it to stop the current iteration and test the condition again. Now in our adventure.py example, break statement can provide a simple way to quit without choosing a valid exit. We can allow the player to type quit to exit the game. So let's add some code to achieve that. I'm going to type if chosen underscore exit is equal to quit in double quotes, colon, we'll print a message to the effect that it's game over. So print parentheses, double quotes, game over. Then on the next line, break. Alright, so we'll run the game again now. Or program, we can't really say it's a game at this stage. Alright, so I'm going to enter up when prompted, as you can see on the screen. That's not in the list, the loop goes around again. Down will obviously do the same. If I now enter quit, we get into that inner if block. So I'll do that. You can see we get game over, and it breaks out of the while loop. And that causes the last message also to be printed and the program terminates. So we probably don't want that last message, aren't you glad you got out of here, to appear in this scenario. I'll show you a way to prevent it at the end of this section. Before that, I want to finish this video by making our code a bit easier to use. We've seen the casefold function in an earlier video. It produces a lowercase version of a string and handles languages that have multiple versions of the same lowercase character. This would be a good program to use it in. First though, let's see the problem we're trying to solve. So I'm going to run the program again. This time I'm going to enter quit with a capital Q. Now the loop goes around again, as you can see here. Because string comparisons are case sensitive, quit with a capital Q doesn't match the string we're checking for on line 6. So this isn't an ideal experience for the user. We'll just leave them confused and frustrated and wondering why quit with a capital Q doesn't work. To fix the problem, we can convert chosen underscore exit to lowercase before performing the conversion. So what I can do is come over here and put a dot after the chosen underscore exit name on line 6. Dot casefold with the left and right parentheses. And now when I run the program again, incidentally, if you run a program when it's already running, then you'll get this scenario pop up. And this is popping up because the previous code was still running and I didn't stop it. I didn't quit. That's why I'm getting this dialog. And IntelliJ prevents you from running the same program while it's already running, which is probably safest when learning. So when you see this dialog, that's what it means the program's still running from last time. So you can click on stop and rerun to terminate the previous run and run our latest code. I'm going to do that now. The other alternative is you could have just clicked on the red stop button to the left, down the bottom, or the top right before you ran. That would also fix the problem, enabling you to run the program. But I'm going to stop and rerun. Now I'm going to enter quit with a capital Q. This time the code breaks out of the loop. So break does the same thing with a while loop as it does with for. Breaks out of the loop it appears in, causing execution to continue with the next line of code after the loop. So in our example, that's line 10. We'll see another example of using break with a while loop in the next couple of videos. We're going to make our guessing game a bit more interesting. See you in the next video.